Alright, hello everyone. My name is Alan. My rec number is 22 RP 10051 So I'm going to present about the web scraping using Flask project for Amazon. So we are going to be using Flask and Beautiful Soap. This is a Python and fundamentals of AI assignment that I'm going to present about. So this project is designed to help users search for products on Amazon, retrieve essential details, product name or price, something like that. So as I say, we're going to utilize Flask and Beautiful Soap. So first of all, what is Flask? It's a lightweight and flexible framework for Python, which allows developers to build web applications quickly and efficiently. So it provides essential tools and features for handling HTTP requests, rendering templates, and managing routes, making it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized projects. So Beautiful Soap is used for web scraping, which involves extracting useful data from HTML and XML documents. So we're going to explain this code line by line. So first of all, we started with importing the required library. So you see the from Flask, import Flask, rend request, render template string, import request from BS4, import Beautiful Soap. We are importing required library. So and we start by importing Flask for web development, requests for making HTTP requests, and Beautiful Soaps for web scraping. So we start with setting up the Flask app. We initialize first of all on this line 6. Okay, so we start setting up the Flask app. We initialize the Flask app to handle user requests and display search results. So extracting numeric data, as you can see, and see we start with putting Flask here. If get Amazon products user input, so this is like what it mostly like an API. This is the link that when you start searching for, it hits the Amazon.com looking for those hits that you gave the laptop. So Beautiful Soap, we extract the numeric data, which function extracts numeric values for price strings. So with fetching product data, we get product info. Okay, as I said, the function sends, as you can see, Amazon user input, accept language, accept encoding, user agent, Mozilla, Windows NT, things like that. To accept application, XHTML plus XML application. So and the response equal request.get target URL headers equals headers if response dot status code equals 200 return. Okay, so as this is like the request is successful. Let's say that the request becomes successful. Okay, though it gives us the product name, the product price, the global rating, the retailer name, the product image, things like that. Those are the things that this gives when it becomes to be successful. And here's the if else statement. The product name element, product data, it gives a product name, underscore name element dot text strip, or else you continue. So the price, okay, if try accept. So this is what it gives. The product data, it gives the product price, the commission fee, the total price, and then the image of the product that we're searching for. Okay, so if else, if rating underscore element rating text rating equal element rating underscore element dot find, we span the class equal a icon dot out. The product data, the global rating, the text strip, if rating is not available, if we don't retrieve the data for the product that we're searching for, we get this prompt not available, or else the product data, we get the global rating is not available, so we get the retailer name, retailer email, things like that. When we keep our endeavor searching for their product. So we are going line by line, as I said. So there is this def index. If request that method post POST, we put a post in search query query.phone search query product list equal get Amazon product. This is for like my colleague. So I'm not good with the coding terms, but it's like retrieving. So the search query equals request the phone search query product list get Amazon products get the get statement, the search query return render underscore template string HTML template results product list search query the show pop-up land product list equals 0. The return lender template string HTML template results equal none. Search query none. Show pop-up equals false. So after this, we get to the HTML part for the result and the index, where we search for the product and then the results that we get after. So get this here. The font is family. Font family is Arial. Insert the background color. The color. Okay, we use the numbers instead of the names of the colors. So the container is the width is 80%, the margin is 0, it's auto. The background, sure, coding, border radius, the heading 1, padding, things like that. There's the HTML and the CSS to make it a bit more user friendly. So for the image, the maximum width is 80 pixels, the height is auto, the border radius is 5 pixels. Okay, and we get the division class as container. Amazon product search. That's what we get on top when we are running this. When we run this this code. So for method post action input text, we input text here when you're searching the name query placeholder search for products. And this is like a button. For the button there is search, but there's search, but the function of the button submits. Sorry, the phone. And here's for the results when we do it successfully, we get the product name, the price, the commission fee, the total, the retailer, the image of it. Okay, so that's it in the end. So this is like the return. Okay, so let's run this and see what it brings up. Okay, so it gives us this IP address. It's like the local address. Okay, so we run it. Search for Amazon products. Yeah, let's search for like let's search for Google Pixel. You have to make sure that you have the internet access. So we search for it. So we can see that we have the product name, the price, the commission fee. So by default, when you can get the price, it sets a price. So you can see that all of this is $11, but it's not. So the rating is 4.4 now. The retailer is not available, but yeah, we can look for it later. So things like this. When it's not available, we get something else. So we can look for something else, which is like maybe Samsung Galaxy. Let's look for Samsung Galaxy. It can take some time. So let's see. The Samsung Galaxy, we have 4.5 stars for rating. The Amazon choice, the overall peak. The Samsung. Okay, so we get this tablets A34 Samsung. We get the galaxies, all the galaxies that we're looking for that are available on Amazon. We get this AirPods. So, only speaking, this is the outcome of the project. So, thank you for following and God bless.